What you see there, guys, is a stressed out Madagascar Dragon tree. I am going to mix up my brown magic, normally using perlite, using orchid bark, and indoor potting mix that is in my Amazon store. So anything that you see in this video or previous videos, just hit the link in the description box. Helps out the channel, helps out you guys. We are a community. Appreciate my subscribers. Let you see the draws. So you can see right here, it's crying for help. Now this right here is a stressed out Madagascar Dragon tree. And today we're going to give it a second chance at life. If your plant leaves are yellowing, growing, and has completely stalled, or it feels like you're watering every single day, guess what? It's suffocating in its own pot. When the plant gets root bound, there's literally no room left in the soil. No soil means no water retention and zero nutrients, and it's trapped. So we're sizing it up. But the number one rule is do not go too big. We're only moving up 1 to 2 inches in pot size and adding extra soil too much to the water, which would lead straight to root rot. We want a comeback, not a funeral. We're using a super well-draining mix here to let those roots breathe. Then gently loosen up that old root ball so they know it's time to expand. Drop our Dracaena into the pot, filling the edges with that fresh nutrient-rich soil, and tuck it in. Snug it, but do not pack it down like concrete. Give it a thorough drink, put it back in its favorite bright indirect light, and watch it thrive. Hitting like that subscribe button for more plant rescues just like such. I appreciate every single one of y'all. On See More Roots, I'll talk to y'all later. Take care, God bless.
What's going on sometimes? Seems like the whole world's going crazy. At least we got each other, right?